If your child dreams of soaring in the world of aviation, Trinity College offers a pathway to make that dream a reality. From Year 9, our specialised aviation curriculum sets the stage for a future in the skies. Unique to Trinity, our certified courses like ATAR Aviation in Years 11 and 12 pave the way for a career in the field. Our cutting-edge flight simulators provide an immersive learning experience, preparing our students for the challenges of the aviation world. Exciting excursions to Jandakot Airport School connect our students with the aviation community, fostering vital connections and guidance toward a commercial pilot career.
Takeoff power set, T's and P's are in the green, airspeed coming alive.
Trinity ensures our students receive the best support and industry advice. At Trinity, we're not teaching aviation, we're inspiring future aviators to reach new heights. Join us on this incredible journey into the skies.